Have you ever thought that the money you use every day is just a number on a bank server? And what if you could exchange value without intermediaries? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrencies. A cryptocurrency is digital money protected by cryptography, born to return financial control to the people. It's a paradigm shift that challenges everything we know about global finance. In this video, we will dive deep into how this invisible ledger is rewriting the rules of trust. Let's explore the mechanics of a decentralized future. In the traditional system, the bank is at the center of everything. It controls, authorizes, and can even block your funds at any moment. Bitcoin changes the rules. It is decentralized. This means there is no central authority in charge. The network is managed by thousands of independent computers all over the world. These computers communicate directly with each other, cutting out the middleman entirely. This peer-to-peer architecture is what makes the system resilient and democratic. The heart of this entire system is the blockchain. Imagine it as a public and immutable digital ledger that everyone can see but no one can fake. Every single transaction is bundled together and written into one of these blocks. When a block is full, it is sealed with a unique cryptographic signature. This seal links it permanently to the block that came before it, creating an unbreakable chain. Once a block is added, the data inside can never be deleted or modified. It is the technology of absolute trust, verified by mathematics rather than institutions. This transparency and security are the foundations of the new digital economy. Everything began in 2008, during one of the greatest financial crises in history. A mysterious creator using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto published a revolutionary white paper. The goal was simple: a currency that didn't need governments or banks to function. On January 3, 2009, the very first Bitcoin block, known as the Genesis block, was born. Who Satoshi actually is doesn't matter. The protocol is open for the world to use. What matters is the legacy of financial freedom that has been left to the world. But how are new Bitcoins actually born? The answer is a process called mining. Powerful computers across the globe compete to solve incredibly complex mathematical puzzles. This isn't just for creating money, it's the mechanism that validates every single transaction. The first computer to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block to the chain. As a reward for their work and electricity, the miner is paid in brand new Bitcoins. This competitive process is what makes it practically impossible to hack the network. The more miners there are, the more secure the decentralized ledger becomes. It is a self-sustaining ecosystem of security and value creation. Why does Bitcoin have so much value? The primary reason is its absolute scarcity. Unlike national currencies, there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins in existence. It is digital gold. It cannot be printed into oblivion by any government or bank. The trust of millions of people worldwide has turned it into a premier global asset. The utility of the network and the scarcity of the asset define the future of money. The future of money isn't coming, it's already here. Welcome to the era of Bitcoin.